Hi there, I'm Michelle the Painter. Today you're going to be watching a time-lapse version of my painting, Hungry Little Squirrel. This painting that I did today is inspired by a photo that was submitted by one of my Patreon members by the name of Lisa Small. I have a benefit available for my Patreon members whereby every now and again I'll put out a call for photos. They'll submit them. I select a few of them to turn into YouTube tutorials, and as a thank you I will send the original off to whoever submitted that photo. So if you're interested in either watching the full-length version of this video and or learning more about the Patreon membership program and how you can send your photos to me, or all the benefits that you can utilize to increase your painting skills, I have all of that information down below in the video description. So I hope you enjoy. And that is going to conclude this painting. I hope you enjoyed the process. I hope you painted yourself an adorable hungry little animal, and I look forward to painting and sipping with you again sometime.